So you're never going to know what you're going to do with an old soap dispenser that looks like a turkey. When you have nothing to do right now, you take a dot, a stick, and I glued it to the bottom of a dot and dropped it in the turkey. Literally just minutes ago. Well, that's what I'm doing for Thanksgiving today, but I wanted to quickly wish everybody a good Thanksgiving weekend. Hope everybody's having, a nice time. Hug your family members and your friends. Keep them close by. We'll be doing a whole lot more very, very soon. Gardening, hummingbirds, deal hunting, online, at stores. A lot more is coming. I'm just taking a break right now. I'll tell you briefly, there was a major loss in my family, and it's been very hard on me. So it's hard to kind of do a lot right now when your mind is kind of somewhere else. But let me tell you, I have never forgotten about any of you. And today is the first time that I decided to do something different. And literally, I made this minutes ago. It's doing great. The hummingbirds love it. And it gives me something to look at and enjoy. And I hope you enjoy this too. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Be merry. And like I said, hug everybody. And Gary and I wish everybody a wonderful Thanksgiving. And there it is. There's my Wyze Cam. Whole thing done with a Wyze Cam. As my turkey sits out there with a ramekin dot that I have around here. And I make the hummingbird feeders out of. Bye-bye, everybody, and don't forget to eat what you grow.